Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting topic of Google Ads. If I ask you to give all the ads that are running on Google under a specific keyword, then what will be your answer? Maybe most of you have an answer with different techniques or tools. But in this video, we will use a tool botster.io that will help in extracting all the Google ads under a specific keyword. So just create an account on botster.io and choose tools for Google search and just scroll down and choose Google Ads Extractor and click on Start Bot. Now you will get 50 credit per line. So here's the overview that if you are searching for any keyword, you will get these ads. Okay, these are process how you can, this is a complete process that you can follow to use booster.io. After this, you can click on Start Bot. You can put your name, it is optional. Make sure that the usage is limited by 15 rows, so you can enter only, you can and you can extract all the keywords from Google Keyword Planner. Like for example, I'm searching for digital marketing. Click on Get Result. From here we can choose different types of keyword. I'm randomly choosing top 5 keyword and just paste it here. Now you can choose a location. I'll choose India. You can choose any local location or as per your requirement. Okay, India is done. You can choose the device. I'm choosing mobile. You can choose OS. You can also schedule these settings. Like if you click on this, you can choose when you want this report. You can choose, for example, if you want this report by tomorrow 3 p.m. you can choose the time, and if you frequently want this project report per week or per month, you can choose from here. You can also get this report on your mail ID. So I'm gonna check it. I think now after this, click on Start this bot. It will take some time. Mostly it will mostly it takes 1 minute. Let's see. In the meanwhile, you can access this Google Ads. Here is the URL ads.google.com, from where you can search for different types of keyword, what are their volumes. You will get exact keyword searches when you have a active campaign on your Google Ads. It can be any campaign like brand awareness, lead generation, any campaign. Okay, it is take it is taking more time. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, here we are. So we can download the Excel. Click on download file. You can save it and just click on this. Okay, so let's close it. Let's format it. Okay, so it is here are the keywords and title. Just a sec, it is not showing a proper data. Let's chat XLS. Here we are. So here are the keywords on. Here are the I guess we have 15 result. Okay, and here are the title, description, and the URL. If you want to cross check it, we can go into a incognito mode. Okay, as you can see, here is a Salesforce, Amazon, and Xed. So let's check it. As you can see, Salesforce. Here we have again Salesforce, and we have Harvard. Okay, so this is how you can check all the ads are running under a specific keyword. You can try this with the multiple keywords. I've selected only a one keyword, but you can try with the different keyword like digital marketing agency, digital marketing institute, anything. So this is all for the today. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And thanks for watching.